After you're done with your smart contracts, you probably want to deploy them to a live network, and Hardhat makes it really easy to do so. Let's see how you can deploy your smart contracts to a live network using Hardhat. I have a sample TypeScript project with a demo contract ready. Let's start by changing the default deploy script here. We start by importing the contract factory, and then we can simply deploy using the imported factory. Remember, the contract factory name is the same as your smart contract you're trying to deploy. After that, we wait for one block confirmation for deployment and then console log the address. Before running the script, we need to make some changes to the Hardhat config file. Our private key is stored in the .env file in the format as you can see on the screen. To access the env file, we need to install the .env package. Let's start by installing the package with npm i.env. Next, import the package in the config file and initialize it as shown. After that, we need to set up the network to be used for deployment. You can set up multiple networks in the same way if needed. We define the accounts by importing our private key as an element inside the list, and the URL with the RPC URL for the chain. That's all the setup we need here for now. Now all we need to do is run the script and define the network as Goerli. To run the script, we use npx hardhat run followed by the path to the script, followed by _network space the name of the network as defined in the config file. That's all. We can see our deployed address in the console and can check it on Goerli Etherscan as well. In the upcoming videos, we are going to explore how to verify this contract using Hardhat. If you're interested in that and other such videos, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.